As a handyman, I feel satisfied when I repair something and the customer is very happy. When working on the sea, you have to sacrifice a lot of things. Your friends, time, family, all these things. And my grandma passed away last year. I think I should spend more time with my family. As a handyman, I feel satisfied when I repair something. And also like the customer will be when I repair something, I feel satisfied and the customer is very happy. Even it's not about the price or what, that they saw my effort to repair the machine. So I like literally can bring a dead machine back to life. For the challenge is starting a business. It's very hard because before I start my business, I'm just a freelancer. So like starting a business is not an easy path, but from beginning I literally don't know anything how to start a business, all these things. Then I consult my parents. They recommend me to start a business just for this repair business. And then after when I got my first SSM, I'm very happy. Then this is literally my first business. Communication is very important, but not when we go to customer house. We cannot just repair and go. First, we need to tell customer what's the fridge problem. If the fridge is too old, I will tell customer not worth your money. You better buy a new one. But communication is very important. I guess if some point if you can communicate with your customer, they actually trusting you. They feel this guy is not playing around. He won't be cheating my money. Currently, I'm doing for fridge repair and washing machine, but in the future, I'll be planning to add some electricals, repair more home appliance. Actually, looking more people to join my team. I'm willing to teach people how to repair and what. It's not easy to teach people how to repair, but depends on their mindset. If they are really into the repair, they feel satisfied when they repair something, we should invite them to our team. Regrets, even right now, sometimes I still feel maybe I should be working on the sea. Because I'm kind of an adventurous guy, prefer seeing the sea every day. But I'm still very satisfied what I accomplished today. Even starting my business for myself. Yeah, and I know my parents will be proud of me. When you feel like doing it, actually, eventually you don't know what to start, what to do. Just do the first step, and then everything will follow the path.